Recording in progress.
All right. So now
Okay, just hold on.
I've approved your recording and it's in progress, okay?
Okay.
Good. Project patterns. Patterns are everywhere in math, especially in algebra. It's all about patterns. Patterns help us to solve problems, it helps us to make predictions, and we can recognize a pattern, we can predict what will come next when we recognize it. Now, look at this 2468 have the same difference. So you can easily predict the number that come next. So all this set of numbers are called sequence of numbers because they follow numerical pattern. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. So if the difference is the same between all of the terms, like two difference of two in all of these terms, then we call it arithmetic sequence. And we can see 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. This is a pattern. So arithmetic sequence is a set of numbers where the difference is the same between any two consecutive numbers. Okay. Output is a value generated by a function when an input value is substituted into the function and evaluated. A sequence is a list of numbers, while a term is a member of the sequence or a member in the sequence. Now, when we go to the next session, we're going to be needing a pencil and a grid paper. That's what you need to do the work. I'm going to show you how to do it so that even if you are required to do it in exam, you will be able to do yours. Let's look at it. This is a pattern with a common difference of 3. Starting with 4, plus 3 gives us 7, plus 3 gives us 10, plus 3 gives us 13. Is that clear?
Yes.
So the next one will be plus 3, which will give us 16. Here is another pattern. Starting with 4, plus 2 gives us 6, plus 4 gives us 8. Plus 2 again gives us 8, then plus 2 again gives us 10. So that means we're doing that to get the next term. So let's go to the next section. We can see various patterns here. This is a pattern 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. You can see them on the grids. Then 2, 6, 12, 18, 24. You can see this pattern, which is 8, 1 here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, that's a pattern, and this is another pattern. So there are various ways we can work with pattern. Is that clear?
Yep.
Now, let us now check the question. The question says you should do your own project to create a pattern. Okay, right now we're going to look at we're going to look at the pattern that has been given to us here. Then we'll try to build something similar on the board. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Good. So I'm taking it to the board right now. Let's see on this board. Yeah. Can you see the blackboard?
Yeah.
Good, good.
I can see.
So we're going to create something that looks like this. Then it will be saved and we'll upload into that page. So if you want to create it, probably I might want to use any kind of background I want, but let me use this same black background. Now, I want to create a pattern, maybe starting with what number do you think we should start with in our pattern?
We should start at pattern 8.
And we should start with pattern with what number? Yeah, just give me a number that we should start with.
Um, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a lot.
Just one number, only one number. We should start with which number?
1.
One. Okay, for starting with one, what should our next number be?
The next number should be
Just give me any number. Yeah.
um
Two. If you give two, that means you just want to go by one, two, three, four, five, and that will not look much like a project. Why not think of maybe adding six? Okay.
Okay.
So one plus six give me what? Seven, right?
Yep.
So seven plus six give me what? 13, right?
Okay. Yep.
Add six again. What do you have? 19. Add six again. What do you have? 25. So let us assume this is our pattern. Then we're going to create the square boxes. This is one, okay? Is that clear?
Yes.
Now, we need seven of this box. So let me try to bring seven of this nature. So this is the second will be seven, okay?
Yes. Okay.
Maybe this is one, another one. Okay. Well, I mean, I need something that will be close enough so that there will not be any space in between. Trying to get that out. Let me see if this is gonna work. Okay. Maybe I'll try like this. So let me see. Okay, I think it works now. So here is the second level. So we have one for the first one. Then for the second level, we need seven, right?
Yep.
So maybe this is two. Then might not be perfect, but this is three. And we are going to seven, right?
Yep.
This is gonna be four. So this is what you're expected to draw on your book, okay?
Yes. Okay.
So five.
Five.
So here is a five. Then probably we need two at the bottom, okay?
Okay. Okay.
So then the next one, so like this. Now this is the second term, okay?
Okay.
The first term is here. The second term follows. How many terms do we have in our project? We have five terms. So let's go to the third term. Okay, I might need to remove all of this again now. Let me move this so that we can have enough space, okay?
Okay.
Good. So the third term will be 13. So for the 13, I need two of the fives, okay?
Okay.
Right? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I need a five. Oh no. And another five. So this is the third term. That's a five. Here's another five. Making 10. Then we need three pieces, okay?
Okay.
So getting three pieces, gonna drop it here. This is the third term. For the next one, we need three of the fives, okay?
All right.
which is 15. Then we're going to add 4 pieces to make the 19. Are you watching this?
Yep.
I need only 3, so I can just remove 1. So, wait. So when I need to take it, I need space there. Okay, so I need 4 more pieces. Let me get 4 from here. To make what? 19, right?
Yep. Yes.
So this makes 19. Then the next one we need, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 already. We now need 25. Okay.
Okay.
So that means I can bring the 3 first. Then I'll bring 2 more rows. Okay.
All right.
So, and this is the pattern you are expected to create. Okay.
Okay.
So what I would do,
Okay.
I would want you to do it yourself with your pencil and paper. Okay.
Okay.
Then you're going to send it to me, or you try to
Kailangan
upload
ko ng
it.
pencil paper pala dyan. Kahit anong paper.
Okay, do you want to do it right now?
Call po. I'm going to do it now.
Okay, you will do it now and send to me, right?
Yes.
So please make it very neat like this, okay?
Okay.
All right. Then once you finish that, or I wanted to say you should do it later so that we can just continue our study, okay?
Okay.
I'll send this picture to your mom. Once I send it to your mom, you get it. Okay, let me send it to the Zoom chat, okay?
So,
Can you download it from the Zoom chat?
yes.
Uh-huh. So
Wait. I don't think so.
you can.
I'll
You
just check first.
no, you
I'll
can.
check first.
Check it now. Check it now. I've sent it. Check the chat.
Okay, fine.
So let me know if you have seen it.
Okay.
Have you seen it there?
Not yet.
Please check. Please check now. Check now and
I'm
save it.
checking.
Let me know
I'm
if
checking
it's
now.
let me know if it's saved, okay?
Okay.
So that you'll be able to upload. You will send it to me later. We'll upload it here and submit it, okay?
Okay, it's again. Okay.
So right now the topic we have before us is coordinate plane. Polygonia, abscissa, ordinate, Cartesian. Now, we have coordinate, we have planes. We have x axis, which is horizontal. We have y axis, which is vertical. Places on the island can be located using a grid. Each square of the grid is named by the intersection of a column named by letters and a row named by numbers, according to this diagram. There are 3 cities on Polygonia: Abscissa, located on in B2 coordinate, located in F2, and Cartesia, located in H1. So H1, if you go to H and you move up to 1, you go from left to right to H, move up to 1, that is Cartesia. Then if you go to B and you move 2 steps upward, A to B, 2 steps upward, then you meet abscissa, and the ordinate is on F4. So you go to F, A, B, C, D, E, F, then you go to 4. So when you get to 4, you see that there. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 from 0. Okay, let's look at the points here. Coordinate plane is a two-dimensional system in which a location is described by its distance from two intersecting perpendicular axes, which are x and y axes. Origin is the intersection of the x and y axis. X-axis is the horizontal axis on the plane. X-coordinate is the horizontal distance from the y-axis, which is written first in an ordered pair, as we've seen during the last class. Y-axis is the vertical axis on the coordinate plane, that is from top to bottom, not right to left. X-axis is right to left. Y-axis is top to bottom or bottom to top. So y-coordinate is the vertical distance from the x-axis upward. Okay, let's continue to the next section. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Good. Graph ordered pairs in quadrant of the coordinate plane. The grid system used on Polygonia map is commonly used on city maps to help people locate places. The coordinate plane can be used in a similar way, but it is used to name the location of a point. Let's see how it works. So we're going to listen to this video. Let me try to share my sound and as well try to increase the sound as possible. Let's see. Okay. If this is not playing, I'm going to need to refresh this page. Let's try to refresh the page so that we can listen to the video. Okay, still trying, not playing. You can think of the x-axis and y-axis as number lines that go on forever and ever. The x-axis tells us the distance a point is horizontally from the origin. The y-axis tells us the distance a point is vertically from the same origin. So if you look at this, we have a lot of points on
Okay.
this.
I
Yeah.
can show you now. My drawing now. I'm done.
Okay, you're done with the drawing?
Yeah.
All right, send it to me now so that we can upload it. You can send it to the Zoom chat here. So let's try to upload that project. Let's try to upload it first before anything else, so that that one is off the grid. Project pattern. So we want to work on questions, okay?
Okay.
Then we try to choose the file. The file is saved already as project pattern. So can you see now that I'm uploading it? Upload is complete, okay?
Okay.
Then let's turn it in. Well, it says two sections on read. Let's check on read because though we've read it before. So let's go back to the question and turn it on. Yeah. Okay, now. So we'll quickly go back to what we were looking at, which is on coordinate plane. So we have seen example of coordinate plane here, and we've seen how it works. Let's go to the next session. The video. Okay, the video wants to play now.
There are many similarities between the grid a map uses and the coordinate plane. There are also many differences. The
Are you hearing the sound?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
I hear.
Okay.
There are many similarities between the grid a map uses and the coordinate plane. There are also many differences. The coordinate plane is used to name the location of points. The coordinate plane uses the grid lines to locate points. The coordinate plane uses
Okay.
numbers for each side of the grid. The coordinate plane goes forever because points can be located anywhere in space. Each side of the grid is shown with an arrow to indicate that the grid lines keep going. The point at the start of each side of the grid is called the origin. The horizontal grid line is numbered to indicate the horizontal distance that a point is from the origin. It is called the x-axis. The vertical grid line is numbered to indicate the vertical distance that a point is from the origin. It is called the y-axis. To name a point's location, the distance from the origin along the x-axis is given, called the x-coordinate. Then the distance from the origin along the y-axis is given, called the y-coordinate. The name of the location of a point is given as an ordered pair, with the x-coordinate listed first, then the y-coordinate.
I
The
need to go
location of the
toilet.
first
Excuse
point
me.
is 1,
Okay.
2. Can you name the location of the
I
other
just
points?
stopped the video.
The
All right, no
location of the
problem. I know
second
you're
point
going to watch
is
it in
5,
this, okay?
4.
I'll continue the video right now that you're back.
The third point is located at 7.
Let me review
Of
it
the
a little
first
bit.
point
So
is 1, 2.
the
Can you
first
name
point
the
is,
location of the other points?
yeah, the first point is 1 on X, 2 on Y. That's why it is 1, comma 2, okay?
Okay.
What about the second point? On X, what number can you see here on X?
5.
5, good. On Y, what number? What number?
4.
4. That is 5, comma 4. What about the third one?
The third one.
Yes, look at it.
Jumper.
7, comma what?
Jumper.
The third
7.
7, comma 1, right?
Yep.
Good. So let's listen to what it's saying.
The location of the second point is 5, 4. The third point is located at 7, 1.
Is that clear now?
Yes.
Okay, good. So I'm going to move on now. We want to round up now. So with this, we should be able to locate points, okay?
Okay.
Given points on the grid. And in the next session, we want to review, let's see, use the coordinates to plot points in graph lines. Click on question mark button for additional help. Okay, let's look at this, okay?
Okay.
Just in case it might have a sound. That's why I want to show the sound. Now, let's see. We want to plot 5, comma 1, okay?
Okay.
Um, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 and 1. So 5, comma 1 should be here. But I'm trying to see, am I to add the point? Okay. Just put 5 here, put 1 here. That's the first point, okay?
Okay.
Then the next one, 2, comma 6. That's the second point. The third one, 3 comma 5, okay?
Okay.
Then the fourth one, 0 comma 8. Then the fifth one, 8 comma 8, okay?
Okay.
And the sixth one, 1 comma 3. Can you see it?
Yes.
The seventh one, 4 comma 0. So you can see all the points appearing on the grid. And the last one, 8 comma 7, right? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So, having done that, let's go ahead
Yes.
and work on the questions. Question 1. We have to match these terms. Are you ready? Please concentrate on this, okay?
Okay.
We have to match these terms on the board. So x coordinate is the horizontal distance. So let me see x coordinate the horizontal distance from the y-axis. That is 1, okay? Then
Okay.
x-axis is the horizontal axis. Yeah, the horizontal axis is x-axis. That is 2. Then y-axis is the vertical axis, okay? And
Okay.
that's 3. Then y-coordinate is vertical distance from the x-axis, so vertical distance y-coordinate. That's 4. Then a two-dimensional system, that is coordinate plane, okay?
Okay.
That's 6. And the intersection is the origin. So is that clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. Not next session, but work on questions. So what is the location of point D? D is on 0, comma 2, okay?
Okay.
Which point is 5, comma 8? On 5, then 8. That's B. Are you seeing this? The origin is 0, comma
Yes. I
0.
seen it.
Yeah. Then point A is on 9, comma 9. Then point C is on 3, comma 3. Point The point at 5, comma 3 is H. Please focus on this. The location of point
Okay.
B is 2, comma 6. Then the location of 1, comma 9 is A here, point A. And the last question, 7, comma 0 is what? Check it for me. 7, 0, that should be L, right? Is that clear? Can you hear me?
Yes.
So,
I
all
hear you.
right. So that's where we'll be running up for today. Okay.
Okay.
And the score for this, what's the score for this one?
Wow. It's a perfect.
Yeah, it's a perfect score. So you should always concentrate, okay?
It's perfect.
Yeah. And
Okay.
make sure you prepare for your exam on Saturday. Is that clear?
Yes.
Please prepare very well. So,
All right.
so that's bye for now, okay?
Bye bye.